Right at the end of the period, 11:20 I will write. Now it is clear? Now it is clear? That I will write at 11:20. 11:20. Recording has started. Now mute the microphone. Mute the microphone now. No, nothing discussion now. Only silence should be there. Mute the microphone. Everything. Now two things I expect. Yes, mute the microphone. Two things I expect. My voice is audible to all of you. First thing. Second thing, you are clearly able to see the board. Two things are there. Is it okay? Now we start with. Yes. Now we start question number 5. Write all the whole numbers. Yes. Now no. Mute the microphone. Write all the whole numbers. Write all the whole numbers. Write all the whole numbers from 0 to 10. Write all the whole numbers from 0 to 10. 0 to 10. How many numbers are there? How many numbers are there? How many numbers are there? It is looking blurred. Wait. Let me do the adjustment.
It will come blur for 2 seconds.
It will see it gets blurred because of the network for hardly 1 second, 2 seconds. So whenever it is getting blurred, you wait for 1 second, 2 seconds, it will come clearly. Yes. Now let us write the answer of this. Yes, wait. Write all the whole numbers from 0 to 10. This word from is important. This word from is important. From means from 0 to 10. From 0 to 10, write all the whole numbers. That means whenever it is from, I will include the end number also, 0 also, 10 also. Because it is from 2. From 0 to 10. Yes. From 0 to 10 means, this word from means you have to include the end number, 0 and 10 also. So we write whole numbers, all the whole numbers, all the whole numbers, all the whole numbers from 0 to 10, from 0 to 10 are, yes, what are the whole numbers from 0 to 10? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All the whole numbers from 0 to 10. This word from is important. From 0 to 10 means you have to include 0 also, you have to include 10 also, because it is 0 to 10. From means you have to include 0 as well as 10. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Total how many numbers are there? Total there are 11 numbers. We can count 0 also. You will count 0 also. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Total there are 11 numbers. 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 We can count 0 also in that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So total there are 11 numbers. Total there are 11 numbers. Write it fast. Now you can see the board. Okay, right. Write all the whole numbers from 0 to 10. This word from is important. From 0 to 10 means you have to write all the whole numbers from 0 to 10, including 0 and 10 also. Yes. Yes, speak. Wait, let me, don't mute the microphone. Enough time I will give. I have to take care of all the students. So, yes, mute the microphone. I will ask whether it is completed or not. You give the reply, yes, I will proceed and write question number 6. Yes, over, all of you have finished? Okay, let me write, yes, let me write question number 6. Let me write question number 6. Question number 6. Write all the natural numbers. Write all the natural numbers. Write all the natural numbers. Write all the natural numbers between 1 to 20. Between 1 to 20. Write all the natural numbers between 1 to 20. How many numbers are there? 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 Now this question, and if you see that this question, yes, yes, now wait, write all the natural number, it is very much clear. Now in this question it is between. Earlier question number 5 it was from. Now question number 6 it is between. So between 1 to 20 write all the natural numbers. Between 1 to 20 write all the natural numbers. Previous question, question number 5 it was from. So whenever it is from, we include the end number also in that. But whenever it is between, I will exclude the end numbers because it is between. Between 1 to 20 means you have to exclude 1 and exclude 20. Between them, whichever numbers are there. Now it is coming, wait. Yes. Now write. Write the natural. Now it is clear. It is coming blood. The natural numbers. The natural numbers between 1 to 20. The natural numbers between 1 to 20 are, see this word is important, between. Between means you have to exclude, you don't have to consider number 1 and number 20. When it is from, you have to include end numbers, and in between you have to exclude end number. Exclude means the natural numbers between 1 to 20 are between, it is between. So 1 I will not consider. Natural number start from 1, but it is between. Between means you have to exclude end numbers. You have to see, natural number start from 1. Natural number start from 1, but it is between. Between 1 to 20 means you have to exclude. So numbers are 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, yes, mute the microphone, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. You will not write 20 because it is between 1 to 20. It is between 1 to 20. So 1 and 20 I will not write. Whenever it is, yes, ask the question. Ask the question, yes. I am writing this question, solving this exercise from the textbook, Maths all the way. Maths all the way. Yes. You keep the phone horizontally, you will be able to see the board. Yes. You can't see the board?
It is the network glitch.
Network problem will be there, just check it. Yes. See, mute the microphone, all of you. Mute the microphone. See here, mute the microphone. Again I am explaining, between means you have to exclude end numbers. Between 1 to 20, so 1 you will not consider. 20 you will not consider. Whenever it is from, you will consider end numbers. There are how many numbers? Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. There are 18 numbers. There are 18 natural numbers. There are 18 natural numbers. There are 18 natural numbers. Board is not proper.
The network glitch. It is very clear.
It is very much clear. Mute the mic.
It is the network problem. It is of the.
It is, see the network of your mobile phone, network glitches will be there. Yes. Wait. The board is very much clear. Voice is very much clear. Mute the microphone. Yes. Because in now all of you see, those who are not muting the microphone, I am going to unmute them. I am going to mute them, and afterward they should not unmute. I am going to mute them for the whole period. Yes. I am going to mute the students who are not muting their microphone. And once I mute the microphone, I will not unmute. So mute the microphone. Mute the microphone. Yes. So there are total 18 such numbers. Mute the microphone. Mute the microphone. Let us write. Mute the microphone. Afterwards, I will mute, then I will not unmute the whole period. Board is clear, voice is audible, you have to mute the microphone. Yes. Yes, I am able to see everybody who are not muting their microphone. Mute the microphone. So total there are 18 such numbers. See, this this word is important. This word from and between. From and between. This word is important. Whenever it is from, whenever it is from, you have to include end numbers. Whenever it is between, you have to exclude end numbers. This word from and between is important. Whenever it is from, you have to include end numbers. End numbers you have to include. And whenever it is between, you have to exclude. You don't have to consider end numbers. But whenever it is from, you have to include end numbers. This word is important, between and from. Let us start. Question number 7. If the product of two whole number, I think all of you have, board is very much visible. All right, question number 7. Question number 7. Keep the phone horizontal. If the product of two whole number is 0, this question is tricky question. If the product of two whole number is 0, if the product of two whole number is 0, two whole number is 0, two whole numbers, if the product of two whole numbers is 0, what can you say about the two numbers? What can you say? What can you say? What can you say about the two numbers? What can you say about the two numbers? Product is 0. Product of two whole number is 0. Yes. Right. Product of two whole number is 0. Product means multiplication. Remember, product means multiplication. If product of two, yes, mute the microphone. You can't see the board, see the adjustment of the phone, because in my laptop I am able to see that the board is very much clear, voice is very much clear. Now second thing, wait, it is blurred, yes, it is very much clear. You see, this word product means multiplication. Product means multiplication. Product means multiplication. Product means multiplication. Board is very much clear, my dear. Product means multiplication. Yeah.
It is the network problem.
Product means multiplication. Product of two whole number is 0. What you can say about two numbers? Yes. Don't present anything. Now first whole number, right? First whole number. First whole number. First whole number, yes, first whole number into first whole number into second whole number is 0. Their multiplication is 0. First whole number into second whole number is 0. There are two whole numbers, first whole number and second whole number. Their multiplication is 0. That means either first whole number is 0 or second whole number is 0 or both can be 0. Yes, no, not both are 0. Either, see, we can write 0 into 5 0, no. 0 into 5 0, 5 into 0 is 0, or 0 into 0 is 0. Yes. So our answer is mute the microphone. See 0 into 2. Explaining 0 into 2 is 0. Mute the microphone. Let me explain. Let us take first whole number as 0. 0 into 2 is 0. Then 2 into 0 is 0. Then 0 into 0 is 0. 0 into 0 is 0. So, when multiplication of two whole number is 0, that means either first whole number is 0 or second whole number is 0 or both are 0. Yes, right. See, mute the microphone, all of you. Mute the microphone. Now, multiplication of two number, whole number is 0. This whole number and this whole number, their multiplication is 0 means either this whole number is 0, first whole number is 0, because 0 into 2 I can write 0. So first whole number is 0, or second whole number is 0, 2 into 0 is 0, or both the whole numbers are 0. Either first whole number is 0 or second whole number is 0 or both the whole numbers are 0. So right. We are able to see. So right. Now write after this. So after this you write either first whole number is 0. Yes. Either first whole number is 0 or second whole number is 0. Either first whole number is 0 or second whole number is 0. Second whole number is 0. Second whole number is 0, no talking, yes. Or both whole numbers are 0. Or both whole numbers are 0. Or both whole numbers are 0. This is the answer. Or both whole numbers are 0, because when two whole number multiplication is 0 means either first whole number is 0 or second whole number is 0 or both the whole numbers can be 0. Yes. Because 0, yes, 1 into 0 is 0, 0 into 1 is 0, or 0 into 0 is 0, yes. You can multiply 0 to any number, you will get 0. Yes, 100 into 0, 0. So what is important? When multiplication of two whole number is 0, that means one of the number is 0. Yes. Mute the microphone. Mute the microphone. We are able to see. Board is not clear. Board is blurred. Board is very much clear in the laptop. In the laptop, board is very much clear. Yes. Yes. The board is very much clear now. Yes. 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 Now, yes. Not leave us. not leave us, will continue up to 11:20. We'll continue up to 11:20. Yes, now this complete exercise 1.1. Now we'll, yes, this video I will upload on the YouTube. So whichever, yes, whatever part you will miss, okay, this part is over. Now let us continue. Let us continue exercise 2.1.2. Finish? Yes. Yes. The board is very much clear. Keep the phone horizontally. Now let us start exercise 1.2. 1.2. Exercise 1.2 we start. Right, exercise 1.2. Right, exercise 1.2. Express the following numbers. First question. Express the following numbers. Express the following numbers. Express the following numbers. Express the following numbers. Exercise 1.2 we start. Now first 16,40,000. Yes. Board is very much clear. 16,40,000. Board is clear. 16 lakhs. Board is not clear because in laptop it is very much clear. 16,40,000. 16,40,000. 16,40,000. In mobile phone also it is clear. 40,000, 85. 85. Yes, not okay. 16,40,000, 85. Express the following numbers. Express the following numbers. Now how we'll solve this? In fifth standard, yes. Yes. Yeah. मैडम मोबाइल में और लैपटॉप में बोर्ड क्लियर आ रहा है बाकी लोगों का. आप थोड़ा मोबाइल जो हॉरिजॉन्टली पकड़िए और नेटवर्क देखिए, बराबर आना चाहिए नेटवर्क. No, see, it depends on the network because in my mobile, yes. Now write, see, we write this Indian place value chart, we write this Indian place value chart. Indian, yes, 5th standard. Indian place value chart. Indian place value chart. We write this number first. We place this number in Indian place value chart. We place this number in Indian place value chart. We have ones. Then we have thousands, ones, then we have thousands, then we have lakhs, yes, we have lakhs, then we have crores, crores. Wait. We are able to in ones we have tens, we have ones, tens, then we have 100. Ones, 10, hundreds, then 1000. Board is blood. How?
Sir, you continue.
Now let us write lakhs, then 10 lakhs, then crores, then 10 crores, 10 crores. Yes. Wait, I am doing the setting of the board. Wait, I am doing setting of the board as per your convenience. Wait for 1 minute. No. Yes, let me do the setting. If you want, some of you are telling that I am not able to see the board. Let me do the setting. Do it fast. Wait. Wait. Yes. Wait करो. I am doing the settings. I am doing the setting. You will be able to see. Don't worry. I am doing the setting because some of you are telling that board is not clear. So let me do the setting. Express the following numbers. Yes.
पापा,
अरे तो मीटिंग से क्यों बाहर आ गया? Why you are coming out of meeting? Wait. I am doing the setting. Now you can see the board. Wait. Yes. Mute the microphone. Who is doing that? Mute the microphone. Now board is clear, voice is clear. I want everybody to mute the microphone. Mute the microphone, everybody, because board is clear, voice is clear. Now I expect that everybody should mute the microphone. Behind there should not be any disturbance. Still some of you are not muting the microphone. It is the responsibility of the parent also. Mute the microphone. Then only there will be clarity of the voice. Now 16 lakh 40,085. Let us write this, place this number in the Indian place value chart. Indian place value chart, we have ones, then we have thousands, then lakhs, then crores. In ones, we have 3 digits. Ones, tens, 100. In thousand, it is 1,000 and 10,000. Lakhs, we have lakhs, 10 lakhs. Crores, we have crores and 10 crores. Let us write this, place the number. 16 lakh 40,000, 85. 85. So 16 lakhs. Where will be 16? 16 lakhs. What is the position of 16? 1. 16 lakh. 16 lakh. It will come in the position of 10 lakhs. 1. Then 6. 10 lakhs. Yes. Mute the microphone. 16 lakhs. Mute the microphone. 16 lakhs. Who are there? See, whoever are not muting their microphone, please send me the names of those students. Send me the names of those. Next time I will not admit them. Next time yes. On my personal number you send me their name. Next time I will not definitely admit them. Now 16 lakhs, 40,000, 16 lakhs. Position of this is 16 lakhs. Then 40,000. 40,000. So where is 40,000? This is 10,000. So 40,000. Then 40,000, 85. 40,000, 85. 85, it will be 85, there 100 I will write 0. So 40,000, 85. So this number we write as, in Indian system of numeration, this we write 1, 16 lakhs, 40,000, 85. 85 in Indian system of numeration from right. This is my right hand side. There are 3 digits. 1, 2, 3. We put the comma. 3 digits we put the comma. After 3 digits we put the comma. Then for thousands I have 2 digits. For lakhs I have 2 digits. So 1000 2 digits. So 1, 2 I will put the comma. And this is 16 lakh 40,000 85. In this way we write 16 lakh 40,000 85. So first I will place the digits in the Indian place value chart. Yes. Yes, this comma you have to put 3 digit, then 2 digit, then 2 digit. 16 lakh 40,000 85. Board is coming very much. Mute the microphone, because see, in my mobile I am able to see the board. Now after, yes. Wait. Don't present anything in between. Wait. B1, now second one, 8 crores. Now wait. Screen. Wait. Now you can see the board. Wait. Yes. Now write next one. Now board is very much clear. Board is very much clear. And don't present anything in between 8 crores. Right, 8 crore, 5 lakh, 8 crore 5 lakhs, 8 crore 5 lakh, 8 crore 5 lakh, yeah, 8,004, 8,004. It is coming clear. 8,004, 8,004. Yes. What is clear? We are able to see clear. 8 crore 5 lakh, 8,004. Right. You can see the bed sheet, not the board. Wait. It is very much clear. Yes. Mute the microphone. Mute the microphone. 8 crore 5 lakh 8,004. Now, yes. Now place this number in the Indian place value chart. 8 crore 5 lakh 8,004. Place this number in the Indian place value chart. Place this number in the Indian place value chart. Yes. 8 crore 5 lakh 8,004. The board is very much clear. No, board is very much clear. I am able to see in the mobile also. 8 crore. Board is very much clear. Try to see the board clearly. Ki right. 8. Mute the microphone. Board is very much clear. We are able to hear the voice also. 8 crore 5 lakh 8,004. 8 crore. It is 8 crore. In crore we write 8 crore. Then 5 lakh. Where there is Atharva, please mute the microphone. Atharva, please mute the microphone. Now 8 crore, 8 crore, 8 crore 5 lakhs. So 8 crore, now there it is 5 lakhs. So in 10 lakhs there is nothing. I will write 0. Then it is 5 lakh. 5 lakh. Then 8,000. Wait. 8 crore it is. In crores I have written 8. 8 crore. Then 5 lakh. In lakh I will write 5. 10 lakh I will write 0. Then 8,000. 8,000. There is no 10,000. So 10,000 I will write 0. 1,000 I have 8. 8,000. 8,004. So there is no 100. There is no tens. I will write 0, 0. And we have 4 in ones. 8,004. So 8,000. In 1,000 I will write 8. 100 I will write 0. Tens I will write 0. Once I will write 4. So this I will write 80. Yes, now you see 80, 805, 805, 0, 8, 0, 0, 4. Now I will place the comma according to Indian system of numeration. From right side I will put the comma after 3 digits. 400, put the comma, 3 digits, then every 2 digit, every two, don't present anything, don't present anything, then put the comma after every 2 digits. So 400, put the comma, then 80, put the comma, 50, put the comma, and this is 8 crores, 8 crores, yes, 8 crores, 5 lakh, 8,004. In this way, first you have to put the digits in the Indian place value chart. Yes. First you have to put the, wait, no break, no break. Now see, no break, no break. Yes, you write. For writing I am giving time, don't worry. For writing I am giving. This you have to write in Indian place value chart. Put the digits in the columns and then put the comma according to Indian system of numeration. Now see, 1 crore, 1 lakh. Now C part. 1 crore, 1 crore. Yes, 1 crore, 1 lakh. 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 1,000. 1,000. 1,101. 1,000. 1,000. 1,101. 1,101. 1 crore, 1 lakh. 1,101. 1 crore, 1 lakh. 1 crore, 1 lakh. 1,101. This is over, this part. Yes, this second B part is over. Now let me erase and write the digits in this. Yes, write Indian place value chart. Put these values in the Indian place value chart. Make this chart. Put this value in the Indian place value chart. Put these digits in the Indian place value chart and then put, yes, let us put this value, put these digits in the Indian place value chart. In the Indian place value chart we put the digits. So first it is 1 crore. 1 crore. So this is crore. 1 crore we write 1. Crore we write 1. 1 crore, then 1 lakh. 1 lakh. Then 10 lakh, there is 0 because it is 1 lakh. There is no 10 lakh. There 1 crore we write 1. Then there is no 10 lakh, we write 0. Then 1 lakh. 1 lakh we write 1. 1 lakh, then 1,000. 1,000, this is 10,000. So 10,000 I will write 0. Then it is 1,000. In 1,000 I will write 1. 1,000. Then 100. 100. In 100 I will write 1. 100. Then 101. This is 1. So in tens I will write 0. And 1 I will write, once I will write 1. 101. So let us write this number 10, 10, yes, 1101 and put the comma. In Indian system of numeration, we put the comma from right side. First 3 digits First 3 digits, then 2 digits. Every 2 digit, I will put the comma. So 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 101. So this we read as 1 crore, 1 lakh, 1,101. 1 crore, 1 lakh, 1,101. In Indian place value chart, first we put the digits, and then from there we write. Voice is coming. Now it is very much clear voice. Yes, yes. Now let us do fourth one. Yes, yes, yes. Right. Yes, yes, right. We are not in hurry, right? Don't worry. So in Indian place value chart, we have 4 groups: ones, thousand, lakhs, crores. Ones we have 3 digits: ones, 10, 100. Thousands we have 2 digits: 1,000, 10,000. Lakhs we have lakhs, 10 lakhs. Crores we have crores and 10 crores. So this number, lakhs, crores, they comes in the Indian place value chart. And then we put the comma. From right we put the comma. From right, this is my right hand. From right hand we put the comma. 3 digits, 1, 2, 3, comma. Then every 2 digits, 1, 0, comma. Then 1, 0, comma. This is 1 crore. Yes. 1 crore, 1 lakh, 1,101. Now let me write D question. Meanwhile you complete D 7 lakh 70. 7 lakh 70. Right. 7 lakh 70. Now we put this in the Indian. Board is coming clear? 7 lakh 70. Yes. Yes, I am not erasing, right? Don't worry. I will give time for writing. The board is clear, voice is clear. Yes, so write properly without any mistake. Now A, B, C we have done. Now we are doing D part. 7 lakh 70. 7 lakh 70. Immediately make this Indian place value chart. 7 lakh 70. 7 lakh 70. Those who have completed, make this Indian place value chart. Make this Indian place value chart and place the digits. Yes, full. 7 lakh 70. Yes, 7 lakh 70. Sorry, 7 lakh 70. So make this Indian place value chart. Ones, thousand, lakhs, crores. 7 lakh 70. Yes, now I think that everybody has completed C part, so I am erasing that digits of Indian place value chart. Indian place value chart, we put the digits. Yes, wait. Now we have to write the answer for this B. 7 lakh 70. 7 lakh 70. 7 lakh 70. 7 lakh. So in lakhs, 7 lakhs. In lakhs I will write 7. Yes, in lakhs I will write 7. Then it is 70. 10,000, 0. 1,000, 0. then it is 7 lakh 70. So 100 it will be 0, then tens place 70 means 70. So it will be 7 and then once I will write 0. Yes, so 7 lakh 70. In lakhs I will write 7, 10,000 0, 1000 0, 100 0, then 70 means 70. So in tens I will write 7, once I will write 0. So this is 7 0 0 0 7 0. Now we put the comma from right. Indian system of numeration. Put the comma from right. First 3 digits 1 2 3. Put the comma. 1 2 3. Put the comma from right. Then 2 digits 1. So this is 7 lakh 70. 7 lakh 70. 7 comma 0 comma 0. 7 comma 0 0 comma 0 7 0. So this is 7 lakh 70. Yes, very good. 7 lakh 70. Yes. Yes, 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 yes. Yes. Let me write E so that others complete. Those who have completed, they can start writing the solution of E part. Let me write question number E. Question number E, 62. Yes, those who have completed, they start. 62 crore 34 lakh 62 crore 34 lakh 62 crore 34 lakhs 62 crore 34 lakh 281 200 mute the microphone please. 281 62 crore 34 lakh 281 62 crore 34 lakh 281. So those who have completed, they place the digits in the Indian place value chart. 62 crore. So in crores, in 10,000 you will write 6. In crores, 10 crore, in 10 crore you will write 6. 62 crore means in 10 crore you will write 6. Yes, start. Others have completed this. Let me erase this. Let me erase this part. 62 crore. Wait, right. Yes, right. This is over. Yes, whoever are writing, it is over to everybody writing, or should I erase? Yes, this lecture is recorded and it will be kept in the WhatsApp group as well as in the YouTube. Let us write 62 crore. In crores, we have 60, 62. So it is 60 means 10. So in 10 crore, I will write 6. 10 crore, I will write 6. Then 2 I will write in crores. So this is 62 crores. 62 crore. 62 crore means in 6 I will write in 10 crores and 2 in crores. 62 crore 34 lakh. 34 lakh means in 10 lakhs I will write 3. And in lakh I will write 4. 34 lakh. Mute the microphone. 34 lakh. Then 281. There is no 1000. There is no 10,000. I will write 0. There is no 1000. I will write 0. Then it is 200. 81. 8, then 1. Mute the microphone. Mute the microphone, please. Mute the microphone. So 62, then 34, 62, 34, 00, 284, 32 crores. Now I will put the comma. From right, this is my right hand side. Put the comma. 1, 2, 3. 3 digits. Then 2. Yes. No. It is no. It is 281. This is one only.
अरे सर down 84.
Okay. This is one. Sorry. This is 281. Now we put the comma. 1, 2, 3. We put the comma. Now 2 digits. 1, 2. We put the comma. Then 1, 2. We put the comma. So this is 62 crore, 34 lakh. Then 281. This is the answer. 62 crore. Yes. Yes. Now, should I give 3 problem for homework? Yes. Now, remaining 3 problems I am going to give homework, which you have to try. Yes. No, still time is there. We have to see, we have to solve second also. So before, in this first question, there are A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. These parts are there. I have done up to E. Now remaining 3 problems I want you to try, so that I should, yes, after, yes, F, G, H, I am planning to give you homework, so that you can also try. Yes, mute the microphone. Now write. Yes. Okay. You send me his name on my personal number. Next time I will not admit such students. Next is 53 lakh. F 53 lakhs. 53 lakh. 4002. 53 lakh 4002. 4000. Homework 4002. 53 lakh 4002. Homework. Yes, no. This is homework. Homework book. Then 4002 I have written, no? 4002. Correct it is. Now next, G is 40,000. G is 40,000. 40,000. G is 40,000. 40,000 44. 40,000 44. 40,000 44. This is also homework. G. Mute the microphone. Yes. Mute the microphone. Now let me write H. Because mute the microphone. H is 2,75,000. Yes, yes, 2 lakh. For homework, another notebook, and you have to send that homework on my personal WhatsApp number for correction. 2,75,000. 2 lakh 75,000. 2 lakh 7. Yes, yes. In the group I will send. 2,75,100. Yes, for homework you have to make another book. No, no. Okay, so in maths, in maths book you can continue, but you write their homework. 2 lakh, you can continue in the same book, but write their homework. 2,75,131. हाँ, 131. Mute the microphone, mute the microphone. 31. 2,75,131. Yes. 2,75,131. This is also homework. So 3 problems I am giving homework. You have to write in this way. First you have to place this number in the Indian place value chart. Yes. Yes, yes. Right. 2,75,139. Yes. See, don't write directly. I want you to write the Indian place value chart, put the digit in that, and then you write this. In this way I want the answer to be written. Yes. Yes, yes. Yes. Yes, yes. Yes, what happened? Yes, mute the microphone, everybody. Now this part is over. Yes, everybody completed this part. Yes, this video I am going to upload. If something is missed, you can copy from there. Now let us start. This first question is over. Now second question. Question number 2. Question number 2. It is as write the numbers in words. Write. Not homework. This question number 2. Next part. We are going to start. Write each of the following. Write each of the following. Write each of the following in words. Write each of the following in words in the not homework. In the Indian, not homework. In the Indian system of numeration. Yes, right. Mute the microphone, please. In the Indian system of numeration. And try to manage the book as early as possible. Our time will be saved in writing the question. Now first A 80 43 86 8043 86 8043 wait 80 wait 8048 4836 804836. Yes, mute the microphone. Please mute the microphone. Please mute the microphone. Mute the microphone. 804836. This we have to write in the words. In question number 1, we were given in words, we have to write the numbers. But now in question number 2, we are given the numbers, we have to write them in the words. Directly. Now I will put the comma. Indian system of numeration means I will put the comma. 3 digits. 1, 2, 3. Put the comma. Then 2 digits. Put the comma. So what is this? Yes. Yes, right. See, this is ones, 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 tens, hundred, ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh. You can write this. You can write below ones. You can write there ones. Then this is tens. Ones, tens. This is 100. Let me write. Make this table. Make the table. That will be more suitable. Make this table. Yes, 804836. If you want, you can write there. See, this is ones, this is tens, this is 100. See this table. Wait. Let me write this in the table if you want, and then write them in the words. For everybody, this is crores. Yes. I will advise you, don't write directly. Crores, then lakhs, don't write directly, lakhs, then thousand, thousands, then it is ones. Let us write. Ones we have ones, then tens, then 100. Make the Indian place value chart. 1000, then 10,000, then lakhs, then we have 10 lakhs, then crores, we have 10 crores. Now let us write this number. Let us write this number 6. Write 6, 3, 8, 0, 6, 3, 8, 4 is there. 4, 0, 8. Yes. So now, yes, mute the microphone. Now let us write the number in words. What is position of 8? Lakhs. Position of 8 is lakhs. So we write 8 lakh. We write 8 lakh. We write 8 lakh. Position of 8 is lakh. Then 10,000. Please mute the microphone. Please mute the microphone. Position of 8 is lakh. Then 10,000 we have 0. Then 1000 we have 4. So we write 8 lakh 4. Position of 4 is 1000. So 4,000. 4,000. Then 8 is 100. 800. 800. 800. Then 3 is 10. 36. 836. 836. Yes. This is the answer.
Sir,
Yes.
Sir, tell Man Patel to mute his microphone.
Which one?
Man Patel.
Please, Man Patel, mute the microphone, please. It is humble request. Man Patel, mute the microphone. Please mute the microphone. There is lot of disturbance coming. Wait, still time is there. 10 minutes we are having. Break also, but we have to solve maths. So it is 8 lakhs 4,836. Now let us give. Now still time is there. 10 minutes are there. Our lecture is up to 11:20. Yes. No. Yes, I am giving that. I am giving that homework. Don't worry. Let me write one more part. 200,694. 200,694. We have to write this number in the words. 200,694. So we put the comma after 3 digits, then 2 digits. We write Indian place value chart. We write immediately these digits in the Indian place value chart. Crores, right? Crores, then lakhs, crores, lakhs, then thousands, then we have ones, Now we write them. Mute the microphone. 100, we write ones, tens, 100, then 1,000. Still disturbance is there. Please mute the microphone. Rohit, please mute the microphone. Rohit, please mute the microphone. Lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores, 10 crores. Rohit, please mute the microphone. Now we write these digits. And then we read the number. This is 4, then 9, 6, 0, 0, 2. What is position of 2? Tell me. What is position of 2? Lakhs. So this we read 2 lakhs 694. 2 lakh, yes, 2 lakh, then 694. Yes, please mute the microphone. Now we write the number in the words. Position of 2 is lakh. So 2 lakh.
Sneka.
2 lakh 600. Yes, mute the microphone. 2 lakh 600. 2 lakh 600. 2 lakh 694. 2 lakh 694. This is the number in the words. This is the number in the words. Let us write. Yes. Let us write. Yes. Let me write C 4623 4623 4623 49 4981 49 wait 4623 4981. Let me solve and then not homework. I have to solve this. Not homework. I have to solve. So 1, 2, 3. Put the comma after 3 digits, then 2 digits, then 2 digits. Now place this in the Indian place value chart. Place this number in the Indian place value chart. We have ones, then we have thousands, ones, then we have thousands, then we have lakhs, yes, still disturbance is there, then we have crores, crores. Please mute the microphone. Once, mute the microphone.
Rohit Thakkar.
Rohit, please mute the microphone. Rohit Thakkar, please mute the microphone. Lot of disturbance is coming from there. Rohit Thakkar, please mute the microphone. Then crores. Now ones. We have 3 digits. Ones, tens, 100. Thousand, we have 2 digits. 1000, 10,000. Then lakhs, we have 2 digits. This is lakhs, 10 lakhs. Last one. Then crores, 10 crore. Now we place this number. This is ones, yes. 1, wait. Let me explain. 1, mute the microphone. 4, 3, this is 2, then 6, then 4. Now position of 4 is crore. Position of 4 is crore. So with this we read as 4 crore, then 6 and 2, they are in 10 lakhs and lakhs. So 6 is in lakh. So 6 is in 10 lakhs. So I will write 62 lakh. Yes, 4 crore, 62 lakhs. 4 crore 62 lakhs. This we read as 4 crore. Position of 4 is crore. So 4 crore. Position of 6 is 10 lakhs. So 62 lakhs. 4 crores 62 lakhs. Wait, 62 lakhs. 62 lakhs. Then position of 3 is 10,000. 34,000. 30. Yes. 34,000. 34,000. Board is clear. 34,000. 34,981. 981. 900. Board is clear. 900. Yes. 900. 981. 981. This way we have written the numbers in the words. Yes. I am going to give homework. At least 2 problems. No one. In this also I have to give homework. No. Yes. I am writing that only. D. I am writing that 3294. I am not talking as 3294. 20634. Homework 20634. Yes, homework only.
Sir, class is over.
Yes, then E. See the board clearly. E part. E will also be homework. 3690 431. These two are homework. D and E, they are homework. Yes. Yes. D and E. D and E. Yes. D and E. You have to write D and E problem for homework. You have to solve the homework and send the homework solution in the personal WhatsApp number. Yes, and try to purchase the book Maths All the Way. If you are having the textbook, if you are all are having the textbook, our time will be saved in writing. So try to arrange the book as early as possible. Maths All the Way textbook. Maths All the Way.